I am opening python.org in my browser and clicking download. Now you can select your operating system and download the installer. The website already knows that I'm using Windows, so this is just one click and then run the program. When the installer starts, I recommend that you checkmark both options at the bottom of the screen. Use admin privileges and add Python to path. Now I click Install Now. It really does not take very long to install, maybe a minute or so. My installation succeeds, but if you get this box that says remove your path limit, go ahead and click that as well. Okay, it looks like I'm all done. Let's see if we can now display the Python version again in the command window. So here I just search for cmd and then start the command prompt. Let's type one more time, Python space -- version, and hit the enter key. And as you can see, I'm able to verify that I have installed Python 3.11.1 on my system.